Go versus Valve Steamdeck. Looking for a comparison between the Lenovo Legion Go and the Steamdeck? Both handheld gaming consoles have their own unique features and specifications. Handheld gaming consoles are making a comeback in the mainstream market thanks to the overall popularity of the Steamdeck. However, the Lenovo Legion Go is a promising handheld gaming console that is set to release in October 2023 and is being compared to the Steamdeck. In this article, we will compare the two handheld consoles in the terms of price, availability, specs, control, hardware, and performance. Price and availability. The Lenovo Legion Go starts at $699, which is significantly more expensive than the Steamdeck's base model, which starts at $399. The Steamdeck is already available for pre-orders, while the Legion Go is set to release in October 2023. Specs. Both handhelds have 16 GB memory, but the Legion Go uses LPDDR5 RAM, which has higher bandwidth and more power efficient, versus the LPDDR5 RAM in the Steamdeck. The Legion Go has a large 8.8-inch display and detachable controllers, offering a versatile gaming experience. It outperforms the Steamdeck in terms of power, with a more capable chipset and better RAM. It also has a higher resolution and refresh rate display. The Steamdeck has a more modest AMD APU with 4 Zen 2 cores and 8 threads, with the clock speed maxing out at 3.5 GHz. The graphics are also one generation older, with 8 RDNA 2 compute units CUs that can hit 1.6 GHz at most. The Legion Go supports up to 65-watt charging via USB-C port, while the Steamdeck tops out at 45-watt. Lenovo's handheld also has an additional USB-C port 1. The Steamdeck has a layout that sees both analog sticks sit at the same height, whereas the Legion Go uses an asymmetric setup like an Xbox do. The Steamdeck has a D-pad, left and right analog triggers and bumpers, 2 analog sticks and 4 assignable grip buttons. It features a trackpad on each side as well. The Legion Go serves up a large D-pad and 10 mappable shoulder inputs, including buttons, triggers, and grip buttons. It also has a unique FPS mod for competitive gaming on the go. Hardware and performance. Valve makes multiple versions of the Steamdeck, with improvements to storage and the display as optional upsells for those who want the most impressive possible versions of its device. All models run on the same Zen 2 based AMD APU and all come with 16 GB of LPDDR5 memory too. The SSD models of the Steamdeck use 2230 M.2 modules, whereas the Legion Go has 2242 M.2 SSD modules. These modules are not intended for user replacements, and both handhelds have a microSD card slot for storage expansion up to 2 TB. On paper, the Legion Go has a slightly bigger battery, offering a 2-cell 49.2 WHR battery compared to the Steamdeck's 40 WHR battery. However, it remains to be seen how the battery life of the two devices compares in the real-world usage. The Legion Go appears to be more powerful than the Steamdeck, but it remains to be seen how the two devices compare in the terms of performance. In early testing, the Legion Go was struggling when faced with the game played at the maximum resolution. For comparison, the Asus ROG Ally only runs at 1080p. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of the Lenovo Legion Go and Valve Steamdeck. Lenovo Legion Go. Advantages: more versatile with detachable controllers, bigger and better displays, promises better performance with more powerful internals, supports up to 65-watt charging via a USB-C port, runs Windows 11, giving unrestricted access to not only stream, but pretty much any PC gaming platform and gamings that run on Windows. Disadvantages: more expensive than the Steamdeck's base model, heavier than the Steamdeck. Battery life and real-world performance are yet to be tested. Valve Steamdeck. Advantages: more affordable than the Legion Go, offers a reliable gaming experience and a large library of games, has a D-pad, left and right analog triggers and bumpers, 2 analog sticks and 4 assignable grip buttons. It features a trackpad on each side as well, has a longer battery life than the Legion Go, designed for optimal gaming performance. Disadvantages: has a more modest AMD APU with 4 Zen 2 cores and 8 threads, with a clock speed maxing out at 3.5 GHz. Has a lower resolution and refresh rate display than the Legion Go. Has a smaller display than the Legion Go. Has a more limited operating system SteamOS compared to the Legion Go's Windows 11. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on the user's budget and gaming performances. The Legion Go is more powerful and has a higher resolution and refresh rate display, but it is more expensive and heavier than the Valve Steamdeck. The Steamdeck, on the other hand, offers a reliable gaming experience and a large library of games at a lower price point, but has a more modest APU and a more limited operating system. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion Go and Valve Steamdeck are two handheld gaming consoles that have their own unique features and specifications. The Legion Go is more powerful and has a higher resolution and refresh rate display, but it is more expensive than the Steamdeck. The Steamdeck, on the other hand, offers a reliable gaming experience and a large library of games at a lower price point. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on the user's budget and gaming experience.